We begin with the measurement of our body for the top piece. Here I have mentioned full length of the top piece is 24 inch, shoulder width 14, round bust 35, round waist 30 inch, bust length 10 inch, waist length 16 inch, round hip 36 inch, hip length 21 inch, and slip length is 22 inch. And we will be cutting as per the measurement here shown. Now we'll take a piece of cloth and we'll fold it for 4 times. Now we'll mark the line on 26 inch, which is the full length is 24 inch, and 2 inch will be added for stitching line. So here we'll mark 26 inch. Now for the shoulder we have measured 14 inch, so here we'll take 7 inch, half of 14 inch for shoulder, and we'll go down by 7.5 inch from there. Here we marked 7.5 inch. Take a straight line. Now again we'll mark a straight line from that point to the next point. Our bust length is 10 inches, so we have to mark 10 inches here. And from here we will take a measurement. We had measured the bust about 35 inches, so we'll divide 35 by 4, and then we'll add 1 inch stitch line. So here we marked it, 35 divided by 4 plus 1 inch. And same we'll mark just a line above. Now join them. Now we'll go 2.5 inches above and 1 inch outside. And we'll join both of the points for armhole. And half inches downwards for the shoulder slope. And now we'll take neck hole. You can use the neck hole as much as you want. Here I will be making 3.5 inches of neck hole. So here I mark 3.5 inches. And join these 2 points. Now our waist length is 16 inch, so I have marked 16 inch here. The round waist is 30 inches, so we have to divide the round waist by 4 and then add up 1 inch more for stitching line. 30 divided by 4 plus 1 inches. Here we have marked the waist, round waist. Now we'll mark our hip length, which is 21 inch. Here we have marked 21 inch. And for the round hip, we have measured 36 inch. So we will be dividing 36 divided by 4 and then add up 1 inch. It's 36 divided by 4 plus 1 inch. Now we'll join these points from top to bottom. This is outline. For the depth of neck, I'll be marking here 3 inches down. And then we'll be joining the depth from neck hole size. Now cut the neckline, other outlines as well. We've cut all the outlines. These are front and back parts, like this, and we'll separate them. We'll use front part, fold it, for the armhole of front part, we'll mark ½ inch deeper. Marked ½ inch, and we'll join it with both of the sides. Now cut along the line, that curve. For the front neck, there will be 4 inch more. And we'll cut down 4 inch here. So here the front part is ready. Now for sleeves, the exact measure of sleeve is 22 inches. So we'll mark 22 inches here. and we'll mark 8.5 inches here. On the next side, we'll mark on 5 inches. Here we have marked 5 inch. For the armhole, we'll mark on 4 inch deep. 4 inches. And we'll join the 2 points here. Now we mark 1 inch for stitching line on both the sides, top and bottom. Join the 2 lines. And now we have outline and stitching line here. Mark on the middle point of the line and 0.5 inch outside the line will make a curve. It's 0.5 inch outside and cut it along the line. For the front part of the sleeve, we'll separate it. Mark its middle line, middle point. And then mark a curve inside. Now cut it. Here the sleeve part is also ready.